Sveiki, Latvian learners! Welcome back to this channel and welcome to this Latvian language lesson. In this lesson, we will continue with the Latvian vocabulary, more precisely with aircrafts, aerial vehicles, and aviation in the Latvian language, Gaisa Kuģi, Lidmašīnas, un Aviācija. So this is the fourth part of the series, and we will talk mainly about private and specialized aircrafts in this lesson. Privātie un Specializētie Gaisa Kuģi. So if you're ready, guys, let's start. Private jet, biznesa lidmašīna, crop duster plane, lauka saimniecības gaisa kuģis, or you can also call it izsmiedzināšanas lidmašīna. Smiedzināt is a verb and it means to spray or to sprinkle. Air ambulance, medicīniskais gaisa kuģis, experimental aircraft, experimentālā lidmašīna, finally, water bomber or Canadair, ugunsdzēsības lidmašīna. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please put a like or a heart and share the video with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, paldies, and uz redzēšanos, ata!